makes toxic waste. Incineration leaves a bad taste. They're just polluting the atmosphere. They can't make all the garbage disappear. They wanna put a landfill in the sky. Asthma and cancer, you gotta ask why. It's all just bad technology. What about our air quality? Stop it now, you know that we must. Don't let them burn that nasty stuff. Air pollution, it's not gonna fly. We're not gonna let them put a landfill in the sky. Not gonna let them put a landfill in the sky. They say it's safe, but you know it's a lie.